Thank you.
We're on a rammed flight to Hong Kong and I've got a middle seat. Damn. We're in Hong Kong, we're on our way to Kuala Lumpur to ride motorbikes. We are in Malaysia.
Finally. What time did we set off?
10 PM on Monday and it's now 1:30 on Wednesday. Come to get dinner, real Malaysian food. Malaysian motorcycle dealership, tons of bikes, and they're going to sort us out with a BMW GS, and this thing looks like a beauty. We started out in the city centre, did like, I don't know, 200 miles on the freeway, and now we're on the twisties and it is magical. Look at this place. Scenery just seems to get better. It's raining, more like a drizzle, but it's warm and I'm not wet. Lots of stray dogs and cats as well. Feels like we're in England. It's raining and I've got tea and scones. I'm surrounded by tea. There's two things I love in life. It's motorcycles and tea. Malaysia gets even better. Tom, where are we?
We're in Gunung Baran Chan. We're 666 plus 6,000 feet above sea level.
This is the highest point in Malaysia that you can ride to or drive to. We're back. Everyone's been superb.
Except for you, all you do is complain.
I've already got a sweat on and I haven't even done a mile yet. I tell you what, apart from it being hot, it's been fucking brilliant. We're here in the hotel with the world champ. So this is the airbag system. Yep. How was the leather suit, man?
Yeah, lovely.
That's it. I'm heading home. Malaysia's fantastic and it's awesome on a motorcycle, so come and check it out. You won't be disappointed.